Hey everybody, today in this video we'll make pepperoni and Canadian bacon pizza in an air fryer. The ingredients we'll need is avocado oil, some cheese that has mozzarella, cheddar, Monterey Jack, some Mama Mary's pizza crust, pepperoni, and Canadian bacon. The seasoning we'll need is oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, and also some pizza sauce. Okay, so we have this pizza crust here. The first thing we'll do is we'll add some garlic powder on it. Some onion powder. Some oregano. And then we're going to spray it with avocado oil. And then we're going to spray the bottom too. Next we'll add some pizza sauce. Stir it up just a little bit. Put some on there. There we go. Next, we'll add the Canadian bacon. There we go. Now we're going to add the cheese on top. And we're going to add the pepperoni next. And just sprinkle just a tiny bit more cheese. There we go. And we have our pizza here, and we're going to preheat the air fryer at 400 degrees, and we're going to do for 5 minutes. You're going to do 400 at 5 minutes. And we're going to be back. We'll let it preheat first. The air fryer has been preheated at 400 degrees. And we're going to open it up, spray some avocado oil. And now we're going to add the pizza. There you go. And now we're going to put it back in and let it cook for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Let's take a look at the pizza. There you go. And now let's take it out. Look at that. So there you have it. This is our Canadian bacon pepperoni pizza. Ooh, it's hot. I hope you enjoyed this video. You should give it a try. It's really great. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more content on food and travel, product reviews, recipes, and more, subscribe to support our channel. Thanks.